This Hawk tutorial video will cover the second step in the process of creating an animal bioassay endpoint crossview visualization, how to make figure customizations. From the Assessment Visualization menu, choose a visualization to edit. Under the Actions menu, select Update. This will bring you to the Visualization Settings tab, where the visualization and other pre-filtered data were previously defined. If there are no necessary edits on this page, click the Figure Customization tab. Within this tab, there are 5 subtabs: General Settings, Crossview Filters, References, Styles, and Endpoint Filters. The General Settings subtab allows users to modify various aspects of the plot area. An optional title field is provided and by default contains only the word title. This title sits directly above the visualization. This default text should be modified or deleted. The default entry in the X-axis label and Y-axis label fields should also be modified as appropriate. By default, Hawk uses log scale for dose. Uncheck this box if preferred. To enter a dose axis range or response axis range, enter minimum and maximum values you would like to use, separated by a comma. Otherwise, leave blank to show the full range of values. Hawk provides default settings for other features such as plot size, plot padding, and title and label offsets. These can also be modified as needed. Click Save to submit the changes. Hawk will display the current crossview visualization. Choose the Crossview Filters subtab. Crossview filters are displayed as text on the chart and are highlighted when relevant endpoint is selected. By default, this text will be displayed at the top of the chart to the right of the Y-axis. One or multiple fields can be added. If additional fields are necessary, add new rows by clicking the Add Row button at the top right. Enter the Crossview filters of interest. Values can be used to modify which entries within each field are to be displayed. Hawk defaults to Use All Values, but this can be modified by unchecking the Values box and highlighting the subset of entries to be shown. For fields with multiple entries, number of columns can be used to format the layout of those entries. Additional options are available to modify the position of the crossview filters within the chart. The X position and Y position can be specified to move the legend to a different spot on the visualization. Alternatively, while still in Update mode, click the Preview tab. Manually drag Crossview Filter text to the desired position and return to the Crossview Filters subtab. You will now see the updated X and Y values for each of the crossview filters. The order of fields can be changed using the Move Up and Move Down arrows under Ordering. Columns can be removed using the X under Ordering. Click Save to submit the changes. Hawk will display the current crossview, which provides an interactive line display of dose response data. The References subtab facilitates addition of reference lines, reference ranges, and captions to the visualization for the dose axis or X-axis, or the response axis or Y-axis. This example shows a response reference line added at 0%. Click Save to submit the changes. Hawk will display the current crossview visualization, which will now show a dashed orange reference line at 0%. The Styles subtab allows color customization for the interactive lines and crossview filter on the visualization. To modify any of the default colors, click the appropriate color bar and select the desired color. Click OK to submit the changes. The Endpoint Filters subtab allows users to apply additional data filters to help define which dose response datasets should be displayed in the figure. One or multiple filter criteria can be added. For each criterion, identify the field name, filter type, and value. If multiple criteria are added, the appropriate filter logic must be specified. For more information and for more Hawk tutorial videos, visit hawkproject.org.